Dis message na directly for our parents and the children. Look up, Sokoto windstorm kill 5, destroy over 1,400 houses. Parents, una dey see oo, but when rain dey fall, una no go fit shout on our children make dem comot for inside rain. Thunder ligh ten ing dey knack back to back. Una children go dey play football, dey run, dey baff for inside rain like say dem never see rain before, abi dem never pour water for their body before. Na the one wey dey come from up, the cloud, na go satisfy their curiosity. Curiosity dey kill bird oo. Make una learn. I have always discouraged dis whole idea of even when thunder dey even dey strike, you go come dey operate your phone. I just dey pity for pipu wey dey do all dis things oo. It's that time we start getting ourselves educated and know say dis thunder no dey play. See, for Ogun State, if I'm not mistaken, about 30 cows na thunder kill. Dis thing na dis week, last week na e happen.